Nini, is that because you worked with me?
Now, I would like to request the chief organizer and it is my honor to be ended. I invite Ms. Vicky to present the bouquet to our medical superintendent, Professor Farooq Ahmed Jan. Light burns and shows a star in the darkness. Our way of life should be like a candle which burns itself but gives light to others. And chief organizer of this event, Ma'am Hasina Sophie. Legzi, das Peigamberes, Legzi, das Peigamberes, Yasendis Godes, Rahmat Chajuri.
یا رب دل مسلم کو
مالک ایک تو ہی بھروسہ ایک تو ہی سہارا اس تیرے جہاں میں نہیں کوئی ہمارا یا اللہ یہ پکار سن لے یا اللہ ہے داتا یا اللہ یہ پکار سن لے یا اللہ ہے داتا.
Dean Medical Faculty, Professor Ahmad Javed Shah, Adjunct Director Mr. Riaz Ahmed Wani, Medical Superintendent Professor Farooq Ahmed Jan, Deputy Medical Superintendents and HODs of all departments, Principal College of Nursing Professor Dilshad Wani, Vice Principal Manira Bashir and their faculty, Assistant Nursing Superintendents, Supervisors, Nursing Officials and students, distinguished guests from various departments. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are celebrating International Nurses Day, the birthday of Florence Nightingale, the pioneer of nursing profession, who is known as Lady with the Lamp. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all. I am very thankful to our body director who has made it possible to celebrate International Nurses Day by providing financial assistance, arrangements and all other required facilities. Nursing today is not as it was in the past. Innovation and also act as manager of the unit. I feel proud to pay tribute to Lady with a Lamp, Florence Nightingale on her 200th birthday. Miss Florence Nightingale was born on
Day is observed on May 12 every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, who was born this day in 1820. The world's nursing fraternity paid respect to the most revered nurse and social reformer, Nurse Florence Nightingale.
Riaz Saab, Officer in Charge Nursing Administration, Hasina Sophie, esteemed HODs, Professor Nisar Chaudhary Saab, Sharik Saab, our Dr. Ashraf Saab, Firafroz Madam, our district medical superintendents, our administrative officers, and administration and academics, other nursing officials, other officials, and my dear colleagues. As all of you know, that International Nurses Day is celebrated on May 12 every year to memorize the contributions of Florence Nightingale. This year we had to shift the occasion due to the severity of the COVID during May, we decided that let us defer it till the incidence of COVID decreases a bit. And here we are today, sir. International Nurses Day was started in year 1965 by International Nursing Council. And every year, there is a theme for this Nurses Day so that we boost the contributions of nurses and acknowledge the contributions which nurses make towards healthcare.
Organisms and the mortality would be great. So you have to find out how to move ahead. So infection control will take a very important seat in delivery of healthcare. The universal precautions, the standard precautions, they will have a very great role to play. The respiratory etiquettes which we have been seeing, the respiratory etiquette is the most important thing in the management of COVID, we have seen. So we have to design a
दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को वरदात के लिए कुछ कम नहीं करो गया। मोहतरम प्रोफेसर आमिर साहब डायरेक्टर हुकूमत एहतसाब सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नमेंट, जनाब प्रोफेसर और टीम साहब जो हमारे यहाँ पर है, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद जान साहब। 12 मई को मनाया जाता था, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड पेंडेमिक ऑनगोइंग हमें उसको थोड़ा डेफर करना पड़ा। 1 महीने तो हमने 12 जून को मनाया है। तो लेकिन सुप्रीम अगर देखा जाएगा आज के इस दिन को मनाने का, मुझे यही जानना चाहता है कि ये जो है दिस गोज इन द कोइंसिडेंस विद द बर्थडे ऑफ डॉक्टर फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल, जो मैंने बहुत काम किया था मॉडर्न नर्सिंग में। उन्होंने जो वार हुआ था वहाँ के जो पेशेंट्स वगैरह जो उनके सैनिटेशन के या उनके हेल्थ केयर के बारे में बहुत काम किया था। तो जाहिर पे उसको नवाजा गया था कि उसको मदर ऑफ द मॉडर्न नर्सिंग कहा जाता है। लेकिन अगर हम उसे थोड़ा नीचे जाएंगे, अगर हम एंशिएंट वर्ल्ड में जाएंगे या मिडिवल वर्ल्ड में जाएंगे मॉडर्न को छोड़ के, तो मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो ये नोबल प्रोफेशन जो है एंशिएंट वर्ल्ड में भी था, मिडिवल वर्ल्ड में भी था। एंशिएंट वर्ल्ड में अगर हम नजर दौड़ाएंगे जो हमारे हिस्ट्री के औराक हैं, तो मिस्र में देखेंगे हजरत यूसुफ के जमाने में जो फोरास होते थे, जो अजीज मिस्र होते थे, वहां जो है नर्सिंग का रिवाज था। इसी तरह आप देख लीजिए हमारे जो 36 सदी ईस्वी में देखेंगे हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जो हमारे आका हैं, उनकी परवरिश जो है हजरत बीबी हलीमा, हजरत बीबी रजी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा ने की है, वो आपके प्रोफेशन से थे। तो डायरेक्टली मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो प्रोफेशन जो है दुनिया में सबसे जो है नोबल प्रोफेशन में है। उसके लिए मैं आपको और एक मुबारकबाद पेश करना चाहूँगा।
Additional Director Wani Sir, Priyas Sir, Hasina Wani ji, very Hasina, Sophie, we remember Hasina Wani, our very senior faculty here, Sab deans, controllers, heads of the departments, Nisar Bhatt Sahab, Principal Nursing, Anshada ji. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Dr. Mr. Farooq Aiki also, very important person, and he has proved to be very good. Kut karna usme kihin laga, mesi yaad thaun. Kut chikadi, ham sign kadavu, panas kadavu, batin kadavu. Panin urban hun thelu chasan, with ki. Batin hun urban hun thelu chasan, with ki. He gets it worse. तो फारूक जान ने जितना काम किया है एग्जाम्पलरी है। जो भी आप यहाँ पे काम करते हैं आउटस्टैंडिंग, आई गारंटी इट। वी आर द पीपल हु आर इन कनेक्शन विद ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, डोंट थिंक दैट वी स्लीप। जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं हमें मोर्टेलिटी और मॉर्बिडिटी कोई नहीं सिखाएगा। वी नो यू हैव गॉट द मोर्टेलिटी डाउन हियर। I have been in contact with Shri Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. Our additional director,
Janab Riaz Ahmed Wani Sahab. He is the Additional Special Secretary to the government also. Professor Farooq Jan, our Medical Superintendent. Miss Hasina Sophie, not Hasina Jan, Farooq Jan or Alima Jan. Distinguished heads of departments, professors. I wish I would name each and every one, but some will get neglected and ignored, they will feel it and mind it. So I address you all as my esteemed, distinguished professors and heads of departments, heads of various sections, divisions, including Principal Nursing College, distinguished leaders in Engineering Department, the faculty of Nursing College, nursing officers, nursing administrators, students, people related to administration, and everybody else whom I can't see or ignore. A very good afternoon. It's once again a pleasure being with you on a day which is celebrated every year world over. But this year, because of the reasons best known to one and all, we had to delay it a bit. We have delayed many things on account of Corona. And this also got delayed by about a month or so. This day is not only a particular important or significant day, that is the significance of the day, that how important the nursing profession has become. Disease trends, on all accounts, from communicable diseases to non-communicable diseases, from infections to degenerative pathologies. It is one soul that is the ultimate pivot for delivering any treatment, any management, or any rehabilitative service, and that is the nurse. We have seen the role of a modern nurse that changed from the days of Crimean War, that we refer every in the nursing profession. Florence Nightingale laid solid foundations of modern nursing based on scientific principles, not only looking after the dead and wounded, but giving the statistical analysis of each and every parameter.
You cannot appreciate the light, but before that, you have to know the darkness. Please put out the light for making the darkness